Okay, so what we have here is an infamous rear wiper on a Volvo Xc90 2007 model. This is the best that the Swedish engineers could do on the new Volvo. I say is a shame, as this one breaks very easily in a car wash, so be careful next time you go to the car wash when you have a new Xc90, and it might break off. So here we have, it's a 17 Xc90, and here what we have, it's a 2011 Lexus RX 350. No wiper. Oh wait, where is it? Did the Japanese didn't need a wiper? Oh, okay. That's where it is. Okay, so maybe the Swedish engineers didn't know about that. None of them drove Lexus. I think that's what it is. So here it is, 2011 Lexus RX. Already didn't have a wiper in the back, and I love it because that's the way you're supposed to use it, you know. When you have snow like we have now over here, the wiper is going to push the snow down, not up. Okay, so let's go back to Xc90, and here it is, wiper that when we put the snow on it, okay, have to push it up before it can go down. Genius. Okay, so that's the Swedish way. So maybe we'll see a new an improved version of Xc90, of already new Xc90. Would have a new design. Maybe Swedish will be proud to make a little bit a bigger spoiler or something and put it there. Okay, that's how they did the windshield nozzles. They were so proud they put it in the panel under the windshield, under the hood actually, and as far as I know, there is lots of cars that had it in 2003 or 2 that didn't have any nozzles on the hood, as a Porsche Boxster, or let's see, Lexus again. Wow, 2011, no nozzles on the hood. Okay, so here are the differences between two SUVs. One is Japanese and one is Swedish. Okay, so yeah, this is supposed to be the newest car that they did, and everything's supposed to be so good. So I just say be careful with the wiper. Okay, when you have the wiper, I even wanted to remove it. My idea was to remove it, and would be better, safer without the wiper. Okay, so here's my 5 cents on a rear wiper on a Xc90 2017. You may subscribe for new videos, like it, share it. There will be more as always. Thank you.